It's on the short roof, not the big high roof of their house, but the one a little lower.
I can't zoom.
Oh God! Oh God! Let's get in their window! Oh my God! You better go. Des, go next door and tell them there's monkeys on their house. What's time we're looking at now? Is there another one?
What,
you scared me? I'm scared. Oh, it's trying to get in their house. Ah! What's she looking at? Mom, is there another one? Oh my God. Don't get home. I'm freaking out. Oh God, you see it up here? No, you guys get home right now.
It's leaving.
No, you're coming.
It's sitting up in that window.
Yeah, we see her face.